I can see where he brought me from. Anybody know that he brought you from a long way? Lift your hands toward heaven and say, Lord, I thank you for all you've done. This is for Brother Fred. Oh yeah, when I look back over my life, I can see where you brought me from. Lord, let me thank you for all that you've done. You brought me, come on, put those hands together, out of darkness into your marvelous light. And I want to say thank you. Whoa, all you've done. If you can thank him, you ought to lift those hands and wave them right now. You've been good. Whoa, yeah, you know what? When I look where he brought me from, I don't know how I made it through. Lord, you were right there. You were the one to see me through. You picked me up, you turned me around. You placed my feet on solid ground. I want to say thank you. Yes, I do. Come on, if you don't mind, I want to build it. Put those hands together. Lord, I thank you. For all you've done. Lord, I thank you. For all you've done. When I look back over my life, see where he brought me from. I just think time. You've been good. You can sit right there. You can have just right. He didn't wake you up this morning. You can have just right. He didn't stop you on your way. If you have to see, he is the here. Let the walk. If you're feeling bad, it's grateful today. You want to hop up on your feet. Something could have been the other way. Could have been the other way. Oh, Lord, I thank you. Lord, just wanna thank you. I don't mind lifting my hands. Lord, I thank you. Lord, I thank you. Oh, you've been good. You've been good to me. 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 You've been good. You've been good to me. You've been good to me. You've been good. Here we go. Whoa. You done. Oh yeah. Anybody know he's been good? Come on, lift your hands and give God a praise.